Now Carlton says, a moment of truth is the first 20 seconds that the customer touches the organization. The customer experiences the organization. And think of how many times we create a moment of truth for our organization. Think about it. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an exercise to do. I'm going to put you in a few contexts, and I'm going to ask you to count the moments of truth these organizations create. So I'm going to do a little bit of a group exercise, right? So these are your tasks. You have this in your book. These are your tasks. Right? So can you quickly introduce yourself to each other and turn your chairs and form a little bit of a circle? We're going to do a little bit of a group exercise to institutionalize a service plan. Okay, I want you to do this. I want you to pick an organization. I'm going to give you three choices. I'm going to ask you to pick one organization, right? Organization number one in the industry of banking, I'm going to give you HSBC, right? Organization number two in the aviation transport industry, Sri Lankan Airlines. I'm going to give you Sri Lankan Airlines. Organization number three, you can select any of these and put yourself in context. Organization number three is in the retailing sector, modern trade, Kiel Super. Right? So can you as a group agree what company you are going to select? Quickly agree. Remember, you are a team. Complementary skills.
Answers to this. Today we are going to do this group exercise. We have ideas. Find solutions.
All right. Okay, if you can't agree, I'm sure even if I ask you to do some things now, then you will craft emergent strategy as opposed to the plan. Right? Okay. So I've given you three choices: HSBC, Sri Lankan Airlines, or Kiel Super. Right? Okay, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do. Now remember this, you're the brain of service for this chosen organization. You are the strategy team or the team that is responsible for articulating world-class service in this organization. And I'm going to take you through a series of steps that you're going to do to prepare the service plan. Right? So the first thing I want you to do is to prepare something called a service vision or a customer service promise. Now listen to me very carefully. For the chosen organization, either HSBC or Sri Lankan Airlines or your third option Kiel Super, I want you to prepare a vision, a customer service vision statement, not a company vision statement, right? A customer service vision or a customer service promise. Right? What are you promising your customers? Now I'll give you a little bit of an example so that you can understand this. Right? And after that, you need to do it in a group. Right? This is what Pizza Hut says, and this is what they promise their customers. This is the slogan, this is the payoff line, the stuff line, whatever you want to call it. They say, customer mania. Pizza Hut says, everyone knows what customer mania is. You're mad about the customer. And their vision, their service vision is very simple. We are mad about the customer. Right? Their customer service promise, right, is to go beyond your satisfaction. Beyond your satisfaction. So I want you to, in your team, prepare a vision. I'll give you another example. Right? Ritz-Carlton, they have a credo that they use. This is the credo. It is kept in the pocket of every Ritz-Carlton employee. It's a small, credo typed in a small piece, printed in a small piece of paper. I don't know if you checked into a Ritz-Carlton, but if you do, you can immediately check their pocket. You will see this credo. I have not done it because I have not checked into a Ritz-Carlton. But the case study tells us that